hurry to throw out used light bulbs. We'll show incredible things you've never imagined you can make from them. We'll need bulbs with the inner part removed. We'll show you how to make it. Take used bulbs of different sizes and shapes and tools. Remove the contact with pliers. Break and take out the insulator. Crack the stem with a screwdriver. Remove the broken glass. Take out the remains with tweezers. You can use pliers. Prepare a few bulbs in this way. Be careful, don't get hurt. Let's get started decorating. Make a few unusual vases with green plants. Take any little plants. We've got tomato and pepper seedlings and basil. Remove soil. Carefully crush it without damaging the plant roots. Rinse them in water. Let them dry on the napkin. Place the bulb on a cardboard ring. Pour in some water. Put in the plant. We've got a mini, high-tech vase. It's taken us just a few minutes to make these original decor articles. You can hang the bulbs on different levels. They'll make an awesome decoration for a photo shoot or a party. Do you need an easy candy gift idea? Use a light bulb as a package bottle. Paint the cap white. Use acrylic paint. Cover the washers with the paint. We'll need them as the stands. Hot glue to the bulb. Now, the mini bottles are standing upright. Make a leaf-shaped embellishment from scrapbook paper. Outline with a pencil and cut it out. Punch the leaf. Thread it on twine. Wrap the twine and pattern ribbon around the cap. Tie a bow. Trim the ends. The top is missing. Cut a wine cork in half. Rotate the cork to make a cut around its perimeter. Remove the excess cork up to the cut. We've got a topped stopper. Make it smaller to fit the metal base. Fill the bottles with Skittles. The candies will easily pass through the narrow neck. Stopper the bottle. The cute light bulb candy bottles will make a fabulous gift for a sweet tooth lover. Are you into unusual decor items? Then you'll definitely like a light bulb sandglass. Make 2 triangle cardboard stands. Cover them with acrylic paint. Make them blue. Add wooden skewers as legs. Prepare the sticks of 2 bulbs length. Paint them blue. We'll need 2 of the same bulbs and blue salt. We've shown how to color salt with acrylic paint in a few previous videos. Put in a paper cone. Pour in the salt. Use a washer as a joining ring between the bulbs. It'll also regulate the salt flow. Make the washer hole narrow with the hot glue. Press the ring against the cap. Start your stopwatch and turn over the bulb. We should measure how much salt we'll pour out for 30 seconds. Stop! Turn over the bulb. There's the needed quantity in the bowl. Pour it in the empty bulb. We won't need the excess salt. Hot glue the washer to the cap. Attach the empty bulb on top. Test how the sandglass, or to be exact, salt glass, works. Cool! Decorate the hot glue seam with the twine. Set the sandglass on the stand. Hot glue to the center of the triangles. Add the sticks. This pretty decor article is a functional accessory. You can use it as a 30-second timer, and it really works. Add a little romance by turning a blank bulb into a stylish candle.